So we are starting new chapter, which is development and aging. So today it will be only a small introductory class. We'll see everything from very starting. So first thing, this topic is about development and aging. So if I just explain you what does that mean and everything like that. So development, if this the sperm here, if this the ovum and here's the sperm, they both get fused. When they become fused, so fertilized egg is formed. Fertilized egg, or we even call this as a zygote, right? This will be formed. Then after this fertilized egg, we will see there will be mitosis, and there will be two more cells. We call this as a mitosis or cleavage. They both are not same thing, but still I'll make you understand that mitosis and cleavage, any process. Then after this, these two cells convert to four cells. When these become in four cells, that's called, we just write four cells. And after that, what will happen after this, we'll see there will be tissues. After these tissue, we'll see organs. So after these organ, we'll see organ system, right? After this organ system, simply an adult body is going to be formed. So development is simply this all things. So I'm sure it will be clear to you. Then comes here comes the entire, if I just make you understand what development, which is fertilization of ovum and sperm. When these both fertilize, they form fertilized egg, or that's also called as zygote. After this will be converted to mitosis. Then we have divided into four cells. Then tissue will be formed, then organ system, and then entire body. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then comes another part, which is aging. So let's see what's aging. Aging is simply after this adult body, it will start. It's like flowing here is like it will start from the adult body. Otherwise, in this development, it was ending on the adult body. Here it is starting. Then we have systems. After the system, we have organs. Then we'll see some weaknesses. When we see weaknesses, this means the body is becoming old. Like from adult, it will start to the position where they become and their life get ends, like they mean die. So old body, we get adult body, then we have system, then organs, then there will be some weaknesses, then the old body is formed, and after that, sadly, but we have another step called as death or dead body. After this dead body, it will decompose. When it becomes decomposed, then we will just add in the soil. So I'm sure it will be clear. So let's see here, it's starting from the adult body. We'll see adult body because development and growth are two other factors which we'll also discuss in this video. Aging is simply adult body. Then we'll see so many systems in the body, either that's organs, and we'll see of course organ. Then there will be few weaknesses, there will be few diseases which will be caused in a body, and that person from adult, their age will, like the person will grow and their age will increase, so they become old body. After their old body, they are called they'll die, so death or dead body. Then they will decompose and then laid in the soil. So I'm sure it will be clear. Oh wow, it's looking nice. Well, here development and aging is clear. So let's see what's written in the book. So development refers to the process by which an organism grow and mature from single cells to complex multi. So yes, development, I'm explaining you by growth and development factors. But you'll see more, it involves series of coordinated subsequent events. Begin with the fertilization, as I mentioned, start with the fertilization, and a highly ruptured process. Okay, throughout the life, development is a highly regulated process influenced by genetic and environmental factors, require procedure coordination of numerous cellular and molecular process. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then comes another factor called as growth and development. Growth is simply when you see increase in size, that's called growth, right? When you see increase in number of cells, either that tissue, either that organ. Even when you see something like increasing by mass, if we take example of human being, So human being is quite complex structure. This means it can never be made up of single cells, but previously it was like that. But now we just consider they are made up of multicellular cells, right? So if you take an example of human being, we have multicellular organisms. This means they are increasing in size. A person getting healthier day by day. This means the cells would be increased. There would be tissues which are increasing, organs, and even their mass is increasing. So that could be the example of growth. When comes the development is simply when we take simple unicellular organisms to complex multicellular organisms. Single cell, which is also termed as unicellular. Here comes the multicellular. So simply development is a factor from where unicellular turn to multicellular, a complex structure is formed. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then comes the main part, the reading. In biology, growth and development are two distinct processes. Of course, we know these both are different processes. Growth, which refers to increase in size, number of cells, tissues, or organs, and it resulting in increase in overall mass as well. On the other hand, when we talk about development, that refers to the process by which organisms change from simple to the complex structure, right? Acquiring new structure. So yes, when the simple to they will be changed. So this means a structure would be new formed, function would be changed. Development, which one involves genes, expression, and cell differentiate, tissue organizations, and give rise to all diverse cells, organs in an organism. So this means there will be so many changes because a body is turning from single to complex structure, like from unicellular to multicellular. We'll see so much changes, so many advancement in their body, so many functioning, either that's from changing in their gene expression or differentiation. Even tissue organism will be change how, if we know we have studied the cellular structure, like entire cell, when combined they form tissue, then tissue combined they form organ, when organ combined, like so many organs, they form organ system. So this kind of structure continues. So tissue organization will also give rise to the diverse cell and so much. So I'm sure it will be clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. We'll come with another video.